Hi everyone and welcome to the Merns Tech. In this video I will discuss with you a book which is so nice for beginners to learn web development. It is called HTML and CSS John Ducket. Now let me tell you why this book is so amazing. First of all, this book uses fun illustrations, right? Fun illustrations and diagrams to explain you how the web development works altogether. You have HTML, CSS and JavaScript, but this book focuses mainly on HTML and CSS, and you learn so many things, right, about web design, how to compress images, and of course the important topics like CSS rule sets, all the different properties. Now this was the book which introduced me to HTML and CSS around 3 to 4 years ago, and before that I wasted lots of time searching for tutorials here and there from one blog to another video. It was so difficult and time consuming, right? The thing was not efficient. You should actually read a good book like this, right, if you are a beginner, or you should purchase a course from Udemy and follow the structure of the syllabus by the instructor. You should not skip one by one video. For example, in YouTube, one instructor will teach you a video, and again another instructor will teach you something else, right? If there is one instructor and he teaches you everything step by step, then that is much more efficient and that saves much more amount of time. Okay? Now, this book, I already said, it has a lot of illustrations. It is also very fun to read. It will introduce web development to you in a very interesting and fun way. Just give it a read. The PDF is also free to download from the internet, and this book is very popular among beginners, right? And you will get a very good foundation and grip into web development when you read this book, okay? And this book, I think it was written in 2013, and it has all the HTML5 and also the latest topics, right? Not very latest, but the things which are going on right now in web development. You'll get all the fundamentals. So I suggest you, as my subscriber or my video watcher, that please read this book if you're struggling to learn web development, and believe me that it is a very good book, okay? So thank you for watching this video, and please like, comment and subscribe to the Merns Tech.